Welcome to Brennacrafts. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lazy Susan out of a spinner. All you'll need is a Dollar Tree cake dome, which is in the party section, and a spinner and some glue. Also later on, I'm going to add on some popsicle sticks just to make it more stable. And I think I used 3 water bottle caps just to lift it up. And then the popsicle sticks made it more stable when it turned, and so it can hold more weight to it. So this is the beginning, and here we go. This is a fast, easy DIY project. You really, all you have to do is, if you want to, you could just do this, the glue and the turntable, and it works. I mean, you really don't need to lift it and stabilize it. That's just extra if you want to do that, because as you can see, it worked just with the spinner. And I was just like, yes, but I noticed it was a little wobbly, and so later on I want to stabilize it. But right here, I'm just decorating it, and this is optional, so you don't have to do this. This is just optional for you if you want to make it more nicer, because it was plain. So I decided I'm going to add a little glam to it. And these stickers are new at the Dollar Tree, so this is just an extra $1 project that you can add on to it. But so far, this project only cost, I mean, I already had a spinner on hand, so this project only cost me so far $2. But yes, this is an easy DIY if you already have a spinner on hand. Alright, I'm just finishing the decor. You're just cutting out the extra pieces just to make sure it's nice and round and fits on all the edges, just to make it look nice and finished. It didn't take long. I just did that off camera, and here it's complete. And when I was adding on the trays, this is when I discovered it was a little wobbly. It turned really still well, but I noticed it was wobbly, so I thought maybe I'm going to tweak it and see if I can make it a little bit better. And I thought I'm going to see if I can maybe raise it up. So I put it on, and then I thought I'm going to add the bottle caps to it. So this is where I added the bottle caps to it, the water bottle caps. So I added the bottle caps, and then I discovered, well, it's still a little wobbly, so maybe if I add some popsicle sticks, it will make it more stable. And it did work. I was like, wow, that was nice. So as you can see, I added the popsicle sticks, and then I decided I'm going to make it more sturdy in the middle. I'm just going to add a little dowel rod to it in the middle just to give it a thing, and it flew. When I cut it, it flew away. But as you can see, I glued it on right there in the middle, and I just added onto it to give it more height, and then it popped right in, and made it easier to put in. And then look, voila! How nice! It made it more sturdier. It felt like it wasn't wobbling as much. And now my Lazy Susan just works great. So many more videos are coming. Please like and subscribe.